So further investigation on the Vertex microphone indicates that there were 3 versions of this. So we'll go in here. Okay, this is the particular manual that they have on this. Okay, so my main concern here is, do we need to use all the grounds on here? But anyway, so this is from 2009, and here's a breakdown of the microphone. Let me see if I can. Just center it up a little better. Okay. So lot 1 of 20, they say. And I don't know where the differences are. What I'm seeing here looks pretty much the same. We have the black wire here, the hook, and the hanger. Green and black on this one. The microphone we just purchased doesn't have it like that. Everything else looks the same. I think maybe the values here might be different. Here's a resistor, another resistor. And it shows you the board. The board looks the same. There's a number on it. Here's lot 21. Okay, a couple of resistors here. I would literally have to be looking at this side by side to figure it out. We can see the board is completely different. And then here's lot 28. And to me, these diagrams all look the same. And then this one is different also. I don't know if it's the same as the other one. So there's 3 different versions of this. So I think we're looking at this version right here. So if you buy the microphone that I'm talking about, you're going to end up with that version. It looks like it to me. So, so when we look at this one here, you see over here the yellow wire that I disconnected. It shows it on both sides. I don't understand exactly what I'm looking at on this schematic. So we're looking at yellow and for some reason mic plus and mic minus. That doesn't really look right. Now, so these are just the numbers. We can't pay attention to these colors. So we were on the hook and the hanger. The why is there no number for these on this side? That's interesting. Okay. So black would be the wire that we removed first. I don't even see it on here. That's so we got 6 for blue, 4 for yellow, 5 for the shield, 3 for the red. Let's go look at the other one. Okay. What does it show? Blue. There's no number 2. They don't have number 2 hooked up to anything. Nowhere in here does it show number 2 at all. It would be nice if they showed you the rest of this diagram. Yeah, we don't have a number 2. I don't know. They have these numbers here. I'm not sure what the hell. The green, they show the green here. I don't really know what those are. Shows you all the parts that are on it. So, but basically, let's go back to this guy's page. Mute it, play it. As soon as it comes up to the diagram, I'll freeze it. Because his comparison puts them right side by side, we can kind of look at them. Okay, so now we're looking at what he has documented. We can't really read his that well either. So he's showing the same thing, but let's see. I am seeing a yellow wire down here. Mine didn't have that. I can't read the number though. It looks like number 1. To me, it looks like that diagram is different from what we've seen before, because we got yellow, green, orange, white, red. But I think maybe he's corrected the that's not number 1. I wish I could read his thing. Unfortunately, I can't. Okay, so it's not going to get any better. What's this? What does this do? Okay, we're going to go back over here to the other one. This is something else I was looking at. Okay. All the way up to the top. Well, they definitely don't say yellow right here, but they've got a different color written on there, so I think he's edited it black. He shows them there anyway. So basically he's modified this drawing on here, but this is a disturbing warning. Did the problem ever return? I had a ft450 AT. I bought a Chinese mic, worked fine for 2 weeks. Now all my buttons are locked, only the power works and dials. And soldered the wires and still nothing. Original mic, still nothing. That seems a little interesting. I don't know. But I guess if you're really worried about it, you could modify your mh31 and just go ahead and put an element in this. And you could really just do that pretty easily, just tap the 5-volt line. But yeah, I don't know if I would order one of these again. I don't think I would. What I'm concerned about is just the ground. So we're using the shield for the ground for everything, and then the yellow wire is also going to go back to the radio. That's ground. So really the yellow wire needs to be attached to the ground inside the microphone also. So what I've done here is I've tied the yellow to the ground because it is the ground, and then just got it right here. It looks like I've already broken the wire, so you got to be careful with this. So this thing's very, very clicky. So what I did was, like I said, I took the one, I removed the one wire. You have to at least bare minimum remove the black wire where it says hook and hang. And I took the yellow wire, which normally would go to the ground on this part, and I swapped them around. I didn't swap them around, sorry. I added it to the ground. Test 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Hello 1 2 3 4. Kilo Golf 7 Hotel Victor Romeo. Testing 1 2 3 4. Let me see here. I wonder if we can hear the click. It's really. I think we can hear it. That would be your signature call sign. Test 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Hello 1 2 3 4. Let me see what I've got this thing set to. Test 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. I mean, it seems like it sounds okay. Hello 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Let's dial up the web SDR, and I want to check it on there. So I don't have enough power to get into the Utah web SDR on 80 meters during the day. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That's 1200 watts. And 100 watts, 100 watts. Nothing, 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 nothing. So anyway, you heard how you could hear me. That's an illustration between the difference between 1200 and 100. Anyway, we're going to go up to, I guess 40 would probably work. So I'm on 40 meters and I'm not getting into it real good. I just show you the difference between using this and that. You need to listen very carefully, okay? Because you're not going to hear it very well. KG7H3R testing 1 2 3 4. And I'm going to switch to the other position on the mic. 1 2 3 4. You can barely hear me. Okay. Okay. We're going to put the new microphone in. And this is the only reason I think this thing might be worth owning. And you'll see here in a second. Okay. KG7H3R 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. It's a little bit more clear. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Let's see if we can make an adjustment to the audio. Test. Test 1 2 3 4. All right. The 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. It sounds kind of muddy. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4.
So, there you go. Do I like that other microphone? No, kind of not really. But I think it'll cut through better. So, the reason that I don't like it is because it's advertised to work with the radio. It does not work with the radio. I have read some reviews on certain other ones where they obviously must be a different one, because the guy said that he had bought some before and you have to cut the wire on all of them. And he bought these other ones. And he didn't have to cut any of them, and he ran a radio shop, and he was saying that he'd ordered like 20 of them. I have no idea what the hell. He must be using them for like commercial stuff and, you know, doing professional installations and whatnot. But I think if you need a backup microphone and you don't mind fiddling with it, and you don't mind the click, for under $20, and some of the poor casting quality, it's really bulky. I don't really care for it. Like, it's too big. They should make something like this. In fact, I think this would be the microphone to modify if you get your hands on one of these. This, to me, like, I feel like this is the perfect microphone shape. It fits in my hand great. It's small. And you could use one of these because it's an electric, so you could convert an Icon microphone. But you're not going to buy one for the price of this. This is absolutely ridiculously huge. I prefer the shape of this microphone. This is much more ergonomic. Maybe more likely to slip out of your hand, though. So I think what I would do is I would just modify one of these and put an electric element maybe. But I mean, like, you know, if you can't be bothered with doing all that and you don't want to experiment, just buy one of these and clip the black wire. You don't have to put the yellow wire on the ground like I did. I just did it because, like, I didn't want it to be carrying all the voltage on just one ground wire that is on the mic side of things. So I don't know if that's even an issue or whatever, you know. So, but I tied them together. Thanks for watching. Maybe that'll help you. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to buy this thing. There are several different ones, but the prices are all pretty about the same, about $17. Catch you guys later.